Hi guys, it's me again. I'm making a video. This for souvenir for our vacation here in Philippines in Sarao. So you can see, very nice. I want to go to my family here. They are taking picture. And there's a dove, guys, see. There's Albert. Hi Albert. Moya. Very nice, guys. Makay Dihanda. That was in your YouTube, Jensin.
Ja, de YouTube die veel
Ja.
filmpjes gezien.
See. There's a nice view here, guys. You can see the view over there. The mountain. This Philippines, guys. Moy outfit in Pilipina. See, guys. Oh. Ipatunga ka na ida. Both side sila magkuan. Naida, wad yung ka makuan na center. Ayaw mo pangisog kay nakuha mo sa video, dakoy ka ng kuan dyan, nagkabatuoran, nagsaba-saba gyud mo, di na gyud mo kuyog sunod to, ibalik na mo, di na mo tugdag kay mag-away man mo. Hala, sige, Jan. Jan over there, you can see. That's Jan. See, nagwarwara sa paraplo. Nice, ha? Sige, kamo picturean tamong gabi. Okay, guys, later I make video more later. Taking picture first.